Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE2, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and here tap on the sounds and vibration. Now here you'll see the ringtone volume panel, and just to unmute your device ringtone you should slide this volume panel to the right side with your finger. And also we got the second way how we can do that, just by use our volume buttons here on the left side of the device. And now just by first be sure that in volume button function you got selected the ringtone volume, not the media one. And now just by press your up volume button, so you can also unmute your device ringtone. And also we can do this with the third way, just first press your up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and here slide up this volume panel, this dot to the up, and that's it. So first, thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.